Good evening, everyone. Okay, so I'll say something like my voice is low, but I just need to shout. Hope you all can hear me now. Good evening, my lovers. Good evening, my brothers, my sisters, my family. I love you all. Okay, I said something. I said, on my previous live video, I said nobody should call me. Do you understand? The only thing you can do is give me a message, and I'm going to definitely respond to you all. I'm going to respond to you all when you message me. So if you give me a message, I will respond to each and every one of you according. And please, it should be for business only, because it's a business WhatsApp. Do you understand? It's a business WhatsApp. It's not for discussion. It's not for, oh, I want to tell you something. It's very, it's going to benefit you concerning your family. Please, it's not for that. It's for business only. I use God and beg you. Do you understand? So that is it. And some people don't know Naija currency. Do you understand? Some people don't know Naija currency. So once I give them prices, they'll say, okay, translate it to dollars. Do you get? So I'll be doing all of that. So in case you don't understand Naija currency, the money, please let me know, so that in case I'm giving you prices, I can be able to also translate it in dollars. Do you understand? Thank you all so much. Yes, and if you want to get wigs, so that Afro wig now is still available, but it's not. I sold them already. I sold them all already. I sold them all today, just now, not quite long. So I sold them all. But if you still want it, do you understand? There's a lady on my WhatsApp that has been asking, like 5 people asked for it at once. So I was like, okay, the first person to pay for it, do you understand, I will sell it to them. And I can't sell mine. Do you get? So I think 3 people, because I said it remained one, a bit 2 or so. So I sold the remaining one already. Do you understand? It's been sold out. But if you still need the Afro, because a lot of people said they still need the Afro, they need the Afro. Some people said they need that full frontal hair. So if you still need the Afro, it's still available. Do you understand? Now this is it here. The hairs are all the way from Poland. All the way from Poland. All the way from Poland. Let me break it down. So some people that don't understand my English, because Inkem said I don't understand though. So let me break it down for you in case you don't understand my English. As I speak anyone we will want. So now make her they speak pidgin English. Make una for understand. For now we be say una need the hair. The hair is coming all the way from Poland. Do you understand? All the way from Poland. So if you're in any country, if you did any country, we fit deliver a worldwide. Do you get? Most countries serve they very close to Poland. Do you understand? Most countries they close to Poland. Most countries they close to Sierra Leone. Do you get? This is where all these items are coming from, Sierra Leone and Poland. So now if I'm giving you any hairs, know that they are 100% human hair with high grades. Do you get? 100% human hair. I love you from England. I love you too. 100% human hair, high grades. I don't sell low grades. If I even send and give you, you go no say na hair. Do you understand? So you go no say I give you hair. You go even take me where we say, thank you so much. Now, this is it again. In case you see or find any hair attracting, even if it's not the one I posted, you can send it to me and we can deliver it to you. Do you understand? Do you understand? So we can deliver it to you. So anywhere where you day, if you like day anywhere, any country where you day, any state where you day. Thank you so much, Rita. I love watching your videos there. Thank you so much. Anywhere where you day, we they deliver worldwide. Do you understand? How are you? I'm doing okay. And I said something before on my previous video, and I think most people did not hear me because my voice is actually low. Yeah, I look stressed. Don't mind me, Jerry. I'm tired. I haven't rested very, very well. So most people do not understand. I said I'm going to the less privilege. Do you get? And in case you want to support, please do, because a lot of people are saying you need to go to the less privileged, you need to go to, I told you before that the Joysekani's foundation is not for me alone. Do you understand? It's not for me alone. Nobody builds foundation alone. Do you understand? Nobody builds foundation alone. So nobody builds foundation alone. So if you want to support, my number will be pinned down here. So I'm going to be putting my country code as well for those that are not in Nigeria. So should in case you want to add it on WhatsApp, it can be very easy for you all. Okay, so so I already pinned it down. I already pinned it. So I already pinned it down. Thank you so much, beautiful Joy. Thank you so much. So should in case you want to support your girl, sweet girl, thank you, James Helene. Contact this number. Contact this number. And yes, if anybody do that, if you contribute or support, I'm going to please send your names as well. Send your names as well, just like the way we did last year. Do you understand? Names were mentioned, and I thanked everyone. Do you get? I thanked everyone who actually supported me, and it's not easy. So please, if you are sending anything, please put down your names as well, or I can take your name from the bank receipts. Do you get? Then I'll write it down. That is if you want that name or another name you want me to mention, to say thank you for doing this, thank you for supporting me. Do you understand? So I said and is it last, I said next month, right? So if we can start from now till next month, is fine. But if we see how everything go from now to ending of this month, we can actually do it. Do you understand? Yes, we are mini, but we are great. We are mini, we are powerful. So should in case, please, 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 I love you. Oh, you're welcome, Bella. You're welcome. I love you too, beauty. I love you all. I love you. I love you so much. So should in case, just let me know. Message this number. Thank you so much. You Joy, congratulations on your new house. You brought blessing to Lemon's life. Thank you so much. All right, best. Okay, best. Thank you. I see you, Esther. I love you too. Joy, thank you, Joy. You, wow, Joy is beautiful, I swear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Don't mind me. Oh. Everywhere is hot. Even imagine this is after 5 and there is still sun. This is after 5 and there is still sun. It's crazy. It's really, really crazy. It's really, really crazy. Me and heat, we don't rapport together. Heat is not for me at all. At all. At all. At all. Good evening, Osaye. Congratulations. Thank you, Eze. I love you. I love you too. So please don't hesitate. And remember, oh, if you're getting any weeks, there is a giveaway. If you're getting any weeks, there is a giveaway for you. If you're getting any weeks, there is a giveaway. Watala. Love you, love you, love you too. Thank you. Yeah, if you're getting any gift, there is a giveaway, okay? Thank you so much. I don't know if my voice is high again, but I think it's okay like this. I love you. Koroma, thank you. So bye. So the like I said before, I was saying something. I said the afro is finished. Do you understand? The afro wig is finished. But if you still need the Afro wig, I can still deliver to you. Just like I said before, all these wigs are all the way from Poland and Sierra Leone. They are all the way from Poland and Sierra Leone. I know they say shy. No. I know they say waiting you go come and cry later. Never. So if you need them again, because okay, like I said, I don't know if I've mentioned it before or my previous one that I just deleted not quite long. 5 people ordered the wigs. Do you understand? When I was on live video, a lot of people already messaging me concerning the wigs, but I already told them. So the first person that sent already delivered, like I think she'll get it tomorrow or so. She already sent it to her already, and the other 2 ladies and so if you still want the wigs, everybody love the Afro wigs, of course, who will not love natural Afro that looks like your natural hair, that is very soft, and so everybody will. So thank you so much. Thank you for congratulating me and my family. May congratulations from your lives as well. Thank you all so much. I need the Afro, please be okay. If you need the Afro, just let me know, because like I said before, all the hairs are coming all the way from Poland. Do you understand? So instead of me to ship it back, because all the way from Poland, instead of me to bring it, I'll just tell the owner of the hair, because like I said before, I am just like an ambassador of this hair. So I want you people, the reason why I order the hair down here is because I want you people to see that they are not anything like synthetic or blend or anything. They are original. That is why I make sure the wigs came down to this place. If not, what she could have done is, when you want the hair all the way from Poland, then she will send it to you. Do you understand? Which we're going to be doing sooner after this one. But I just want to let you all know that these hairs are 100% human hair. I don't need to wear it for you all to know. In as much as I say this plug is legit, please know that it's legit. Do you understand? Please know that it's legit. Nobody's going to scam you. Everything are all legit. So if this one is finished all the way from Poland, for those that need the wigs, let me know. Just send me numbers, and I'm just gonna I live in USA. Okay, it doesn't matter. From Poland to USA, I think it's very closer. Do you understand? It's not far. It's not far. So if you live in USA, Canada, Australia, Cameroon, Burkina Faso, anywhere at all, Qatar, Cyprus, anywhere at all, just let me know and tell me the weeks you want and how many you want. So, and again, the location. So I'm going to be putting in the delivery fee and everything like that. I like you. You're truthful, Joy. Continue with the truth. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jenna. Do you understand? So should, in case, you'll be the one to ship it to you all in different countries, any countries of you that you live in. Do you understand? And this one that I have here with me, even if you are in the same UK, USA, anywhere, I'll ship my own down here to each and every one of you. Do you get me? So please, thank you so much, Ogodi, Annabelle. Thank you. Thank you, Laje. I love you too. Okay, so shouldn't send me a message. I'll respond to you. Don't call me. How am I supposed to be picking calls while I'm on live? It's not possible. Do you understand? So it's not possible. Yeah, she do wholesales as well. She, in case you want to resell retail, she does all of that. Do you understand? She does all of that. And yeah, and don't worry, there is no regret in any of this. No worry. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So don't worry, don't be scared. As much as I said, she is the one that is going to be attending to you all. For those that need any of the hair in different countries, just send me a message. Do you understand? Send me a message. Send me the country you were in, so that should, in case you want to calculate everything, she's going to calculate the delivery fee. Do you understand? Down to your location, and it will not be stressful at all. Do you get me? So that is it. And don't forget, I should have pasted my account number for the people that want to support on the less privilege. But if I don't, just send me a message, or I don't know yet, maybe on the comment section for those that want to assist. Please, when you are done with it, if you send it on the Facebook, do you understand? Please screenshot your payments that you've made for the contribution, for the support, and send it to my WhatsApp and your name. please, so that I don't miss your name when I'm mentioning people that I need to thank for the support. Okay, I love you all. This what do they call it, less privilege I'm going to, I want you to be my friend. Everyone is my friend though. Everyone is my friend. I don't choose different friends. Everyone, in as much as you're loyal, you're decent, you're truthful. Yes, I like whosoever. If you're truthful, I love it. You're truthful, please. Yeah, you're all my friends. Do you understand? You're not corner. You're my friend. Do you understand? So I'm going to be dropping it, and if you people send, please just send me the names. Do you understand? And when I see that it's the money is going up and it's up to something, then we can just do the we'll just go to the less privilege on this month. Do you understand? And now this is what I want to do. When I mean less privilege, there's a lot of less privilege out here in this country. This Nigeria where there's different levels of privilege. You don't need to go to the orphanage, you don't need to go to the charity, you don't need to go to those. Now less privilege are people that don't have shelter, people that don't have food to eat. A lot of them that you are better than, do you understand, are the less privileged we should try to consider. Do you get? People that don't even have roof on their head. And this is what I'm going to be doing again, in as much as I'm going to be doing that less privilege. The other thing I want to do is after that one I don't want to say this, honestly. I don't want to say, I just wanted to do my thing and surprise. I want to go to the roadside, do you understand, and help, because I was coming back from the island, and I saw an old woman hacking. I don't know what she was hacking. Was it pure water she was hacking, or she was hacking something? I could not remember. Do you understand? Thank you. Hi Beauty, watching from NYC. Thank you. Do you understand? So Lolo. So this lady was this one is not a lady, this is an old woman. When I mean an old woman, she was hawking, is either water or something. I don't know what she was carrying on her head. I was like, wow. So, you know, in as much as you're privileged to do, to assist, please do, okay? Because this thing, I'm going to go to the roadside, help 1 or 2 people sell their markets. Do you get? I'll go to the roadside, maybe help one. If I see that there is a very old woman, that needs help to sell all her markets, I will do all of that for her. I will carry the thing on my head. You guys are gonna watch your girl do that. I cannot laugh. You guys are gonna watch your girl do that, because I'll be doing it, of course, and I'll be okay. I think I will go on live. No, should I go on live that day? Should I go on live? Maybe I'll go on live, because I think that'll be more fun, you know, trying to see. So I'll go on live that day. Do you understand? Hello, my friend Joy. I'm in Dubai, so all right. Hi. So after the less privileged, do you understand, I'll be going to the roadside. That's the express, where people hawk things, and look for who I'm going to help, and help them sell all their markets. So if I could not sell all of them, I'll buy all of them and dash her money and go. Do you understand? Thank you. Luxury or nothing. So that's what I'm going to be doing. By His grace, if we can sell one person items, we can sell the other one items, you know, like that before it will. So I have to go maybe morning or afternoon, where I know that they can be there. I don't even know, but I know that that's when 12 million bridge or something like that. And I'll be careful, because I don't know how to do all of this, so that you know, you have to be careful in things like this. They are not like, we are not like them. They are used to all of this, knowing how motor side, you know. But I need to be very careful to help them do this work. So guys, after this, I may do it next month, but don't worry, people are going to watch it. How it's going to be fun. God, I don't know. I don't wanted to tell anybody. I just wanted to do it. I just so love you, this girl. Thank you, marvelous. I love you so much, my joy. I love you too. I love you all. Good evening. I just said something here now. I can't pick calls. Even if I'm not on live, I don't pick calls. Eh? That's how somebody said, I wanted to send you money, but you blocked me. If you want to, just text me a message, send me a message, and I will see your message. I will see your messages, and I'm going to respond. But instead of calling. Thank you, Relationship Room TV. So Aqua Mama. My mom is not on live. Maybe she's busy. Mama. Maybe she's busy. Okay, so that is it, Cynthia. So for everyone that is supporting me, trust me, I love you all. When I mean I love you all, I really do love you all. And may your support never be in vain. In as much as you're supporting me, God sends soldiers. Soldiers from above. Soldiers that is going to help you and uplift you. Thank you all so much. Thank you. It's a great privilege, and I love you all so much. I'm not taking this for granted, and I will never take it for granted, okay? Thank you. I love you. I love you. So, should in case, I know most of you. Okay. Okay, I will put it on the comment section. I'll post the account number in the comment section. But if you now, yes, so our support can never be in vain. Never. Thank you so much, Aqua Mama. I love you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you all for loving me just the way I am. Thank you for not leaving me. Thank you for loving me. May God love you all too and never leave you. Me, I cannot wait to. I cannot wait to. Please, people should come. I can't wait as well. I can't wait to hug you. Oh my God. Let's support our girl, my amazing people. Oh, I trust Relationship Room TV. Thank you so much. Thank you. Especially, okay, on the day of my need, of when I was in need. You understand? Our support can never be in vain. Thank you. Thank you all so much. Thank you. Do you have long hair, hon? We have long hair. Any hair you want, any hair of your choice you want. I did not display them because I don't have it here. Do you understand? But any hair you want, any type of hair at all you want, just send me the picture. Do you understand? And it will be delivered to you. Do you understand? Support on the way. Thank you so much, Aqua Mama. I love you so much. I love you so much. God bless you. So I'll be posting my account number on the comment section. And can they pin it? I'm not sure they can pin it, Abby. Okay, let me see if I can pin it. So at least the less privileged thing is not everyday thing. Do you understand? We did it last year and now this is another year. So it's not everyday thing. But anytime we are privileged to, let's just do it. Burning 28 seconds. Okay, so I already pinned it. So please, if you saw the account number on the live video and you please send screenshot and send it to me on my WhatsApp number, still on the comment section. Do you understand? And your name, because I need to appreciate each and every one of you. I love you, Joy from UK or US. I love you too, Esterine. Thank you. So that is it. If I see how it goes, then I'll start the ending of this month, or this month. I don't know if it's ending, but this month, it will. Thank you. Isn't me? So relationship room TV, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for, thank you. See, if I don't know how to say thank you to everyone. I don't know how to say thank you to everyone, because if I say let me start mentioning names, I don't know how I can mention all their names. But I want to say thank you. Thank you. So thank you everyone. May your pocket never run dry. May God, as you remove, may God add double to it. Do you understand? How is fasting Ramadan, sister? People should stop praying for twins for me. Oh, I'm twin already and I don't want twin. I don't want twin. I love you. Thank you, Relationship on TV. I love you too. Yep. I'm twin. I don't want twins already. I beg. Me, my twin self, we our wahala will be here. So I want to show you all something. Should I? Let me see. Wait. My husband bought me a bag. I don't want to see it, but let me see it. It's so beautiful. He said, this is a gift, baby. He knows I love blinky. In as much as he has wronged me, he gave me gift and I collected it too. Hey, it concern me. See the gift, see the bag. It's heavy, eh? Hey, it's so heavy. As now tell me say I go wear dress, wear what so amount. That's the up and down. And the bag where I carry, this bag, people are insulting this bag. This is my only sweet bag that I cannot joke with. And he said, baby, I want to shock you. Thank you. So thanks to my husband for doing this. It's beautiful, right? I got the package. I was sleeping and he just said, I have something for you. But I don't want to post it online because I don't know if you want it. So that's why I didn't post it online. But I don't post them. I get coconut head too. You try this girl. I get coconut head. Can't do it too. I mean, it's only you. I love your bags. Thank you. It's fine. I swear, if this bag is heavy, hey. When I carried it, I said, wait, do you put dollars inside? Is there money? Eh? The bag is heavy. The bag is, I love it. So, thank you, baby. Thank you, Relationship on TV. Before you people, when my mini fans, according to what they said, they are mini fans, but they are mighty. We send the money for the charity now. Haters will say, I use the money I will gift you. Oh, thank you so much. Haters will now say that I use the money and go and buy a bag. So that's I thank God. I said, let me just show you people now. Before they'll say that, before haters will say, she go use the money, go buy a bag. Go. No. Make no mind, I'm all. Oh. Yeah, so thank you. Nane, I love you. I love you too. Let's keep it a secret. Let's keep it a secret though. Because I know that I have shown you before. Thank you so much. The bag is beautiful. You're loving me. I swear the bag is so fine. I love the way it's heavy. My husband knows I like shiny. Anything that have glitches, anything that have stones, I love it. You're such a good woman. Thank you so much. Che, my very beautiful Joy. Thank you. I will gift you. All right. Thank you, Ogona. Thank you, Lord of Lord, for gifting Joy. Thank you. Yeah. I love your bag. Thank you, Tina. I don't go down my boy. This is my mouth there, but I have to show you all. If I don't show you all, who will lie? Who will I show? Who will I show? Good evening, Chica. Do you know how this thing became fine? See, I removed it. See, glass. Lovely husband you have. Thank you. Thank you, 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 thank you. Even if he had no the ground, anyhow, Sha, we'll still forgive him. We'll still forgive him. We'll still forgive. Oh, I love it. Omali Chanwa. That is my Igbo name. My Igbo name is Omali Chanwa. How you getting my Igbo name? I don't understand. I be Omali Chanwa. You're being Omali Chanwa. Inside me, I would did they born first because you have to change your name. Don't mind me, okay? Namesake. My name too is Omali Chanwa. That's my Igbo name. See the one I'm sweating under here. Hey, there's light though, but the noise. I don't know why my AC is not working. It will work, it will stop. So my husband said he's going to come and check it. Let them shall come and check it for me. Let them come and check it for me. Oh, check it for me. Oh, check it for me. Love you. Love you from Canada. Oh, Ghana. Hey, Ghana. I love Ghana people. Ghanaians are my friend. I have Ghanaians as friend. I want to visit Ghana, but I don't know when. You're a good woman. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you so much. So I already pinned the account number. Yes, I wish to stay long on life, but I don't know if I can. I want to stay longer on this life. I'll slap this cotton. Should I beat this cotton? Oh, you deserve it, my queen. Thank you, Mama. Eating sugar, no, Papa. No, Papa. Thank you. Come here, Mom. Say no. Ooh, baby. Me nama. Akuna mikuma city. Hey, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So tomorrow I'll be going on live on my other page. Do you understand? Please join me on my other page. The other one that has 21 followers or 21, yeah. I'll be going live there too. So that is it. Good evening. Much love, much love. I get it, Abby. I get some thank you. I know Sabi singer, but anyhow, Sha. I don't know my views are not. I'm not seeing my views. I don't even know how many views I have. It's not even showing me views here. Well, not is my business. It's not my business. So, should in case you have knuckles, like black knuckles. You have black knuckles, very black knuckles. You have very black knuckles, and you have a lot of dark spot, and your face is very rough. You know, then when I was pregnant, I don't know, maybe it was pregnancy that made my face rough that time. I don't even know. When my face was very rough and dark, do you understand? So, if you also want to get your facial cream, your knuckle cream, you know, if you want to glow, I mean, if I want to be very oyibo, I can be very oyibo. I can be old. In short, my oyibo self you go the fear, and if I'm fair, it used to fit me very, very well. Do you understand? So, babe, I missed your live video. Oh, I'm sorry. The live video is all about my wigs that I sell, in case you want to get it, and yes, the wigs I sell, in case you want to get it, and less privilege, in case you want to support your girl. The account number is on the comment section, and my number is on the comment section as well. So if you're taking the account number on the comment section and you want to send, just screenshot and send it on my WhatsApp with your name. So when I'm gonna say thank you, I'll say thank you to each and every one of you without missing a name. I don't want to call this one sent so amount, or should I? No, I'm not saying it. So Me, I want stretch mark creams. Okay, I will ask if there is a stretch mark cream. Okay, when I ask, I'll just send me a message so that when I ask, I'll get back to you. Do you understand? When I ask, I'll get back to you. You'll get it. So don't worry. Don't. Your body is beautiful. In a stretch mark or no stretch mark, your body is beautiful. The only thing that you just need, oh, let me just take care of the stretch mark. Oh, that's it, and make it not too obvious. Do you understand? So that's it. Don't let anybody body shame you for anything at all. Everybody break out. We all break out. We ladies break out. So that is it. Okay, I think I'm done. Do you have any other thing to say? I don't think so. I don't think so. My hair is already growing back. Oh. Thank God. Hey. The front head chop that time, eh? The thing never grow. I pack it together. The thing has not grown, but we are there. We are getting there. I even forgot to use the hair growth. I bought hair growth. My own, eh? My own thing is not. If I buy something, I know they use them. Even if I buy cream, I don't use. I will forget that I bought cream. Why is it always like that? Why? So this is my hair growth. I have here, so I don't want to use much of it. You look yes, so we are praying to get hold though. Don't mind people that are saying, oh, you are younger than him, you are older than him. Have you seen me in real life? But even if you've seen me or not, it's none of my business. We all are praying to get hold. So if I'm hold already, thank God for life. Because you will reach there too. You that you are young, you'll get to my own stage where you get hold. You get to my turn, no? Good evening. So this is the hair growth. It's really working now. Some people here we don't chop like my own. Yeah. So let me not use it finish up so much. See the way I'm just taking it small. Even if I pack it finish, the thing will still last me for months. When I mean months. My queen, Joy, I love you. I love you too. So this one is the conditioner and the shampoo. Send me a message. Demilade. Send me a message, okay? Demilade, send me a message on WhatsApp. My number is already there. And because I did life, I remember so I get hair growth for you. If not, yeah. If she's my friend, though, she sold this for me. If you see her hair, oh, blah. Her hair is very long, eh? Yes, just send me a message. Her hair is very, very long. Her hair reach here. Very long. The thing attracted, because I know her very well. Her hair was not even long at all. And all of a sudden, her hair is very long. Hey. And me, before, I have long hair. Due to the fact that, oh, I want to cut, I want to change, I want to cut. I'm tired of making hair. I have virgin hair that is very full. I cut it, and anytime I'm doing virgin hair, it fits me so much. So this one that I'm growing now is virgin. I'm not going to retouch my hair. Virgin all through. Me and virgin hair this year. Whether you like it or not, I'm going back to my virgin hair. I miss virgin, but at a point you'll be tired of carrying. But this time I'm not going to be tired of carrying it at all. I love you. Hey, wait. What am I gonna see? Do you know I love you all? And do you know I love God? Sometimes when enemy think I'm gonna fail, God bring you all to my side, including my husband. I don't know if you people get my point. When somebody is a child of grace, nobody can ever disgrace that person. Where people think I'm going to fail, God never let that happen. He bring soldiers for me to help me and stand by me, including my husband. In as much as is sometimes he nags, sometimes I'll just overlook it. But he's a nice man. Here in Lagos, send me a message and I'll respond to you. Okay, send me a message. This CY, thank you so much, Mama. Oh, thank you. I love you so much. I feel like hearing your voice every day. I feel like coming on live every day too. I want to come on live every day. The prophetess, good night, good evening. Congratulations to you all. Thank you so much, Ogunleye Mary. You are indeed a child of grace, my queen. Thank you, Clara. Joy, how are you doing, my love? I'm good, Adachuko. Beautiful. Thank you, Patience. I know some people wonder, why are you not calling all their names? I don't know if you bite my mouth, though. I call the names that I know. You got me? You got me? Because some people does not even stay in Nigeria. Their names are, if I go and buy them, I'll say, frame me up with. I'll just cry. So I'll call the ones I know so that I don't use touchness and say, it's Saliria. Okay. So I love you. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. I'm good. I love you too, Zainab. Thank you, Queen. Carissa, I love you. God will always come for you, my love, at any time. Thank you, Chris Part Show. Joy, I love you. Thank you, Stainless. Ifi Zizi. Congratulations, sister. Thank you, Dami. Much love, Queen. Thank you, Amaka. Carol, thank you. I love you. Gracious. Chomi, I love you. Good evening. Yep. I don't know how to stay too long on live because I don't even. Oh. Yes, so love you too. Olufunke. I love you. See, though I'm doing like a baby. I used to do like a baby. People think I'm my mom's last born, but I'm not my mom's last born. But I act like a baby when I want to know. My love for this Joy. Sister Joy, you look pretty. Thank you so much. Thank you all so much. Oh, I love you too. Let me go and lose this all back tomorrow and do another one. Natural beauty. Of course, I am beautiful. Yes, so thank you, Adachuku. Love you from Sierra Leone, Joy. Love you too, Steven. Congratulations, dearie. Thank you, love. Okay, so I'll be going on live. I'll be going off. Then I'll be coming back tomorrow by God's grace. Tomorrow. I'll be coming back tomorrow because I need to still showcase my wigs. Do you understand? Showcase my wigs. And yes, I'll be posting pictures of all the wigs, any wigs at all. I'll be posting the pictures on my page, and the owner of That's Case World will be posting on our own page too. So whichever you want, now I'm going to say this, whichever wigs you want, let me know. I'll tell you the price, and send me your location. That's where the country you're from. Do you understand? So when I'm sending the price, I'll send you the shipping money, the delivery money together. So if you're ready, you can make a payment. Do you understand? When you make a payment, depending on how many people make their own payments, do you understand, we'll ship it once to them. But if you did not make your payments quick, and we'll be shipping one by one, be that. Do you understand? So if you make your payment today, you receive your, depending on your country, so I'll let you know when you're going to receive your items, but you will definitely receive it. Trust me, you will receive it. Do you understand? So that people should calm down. I want to go offline now. You see where to go? Oh, which kind of lab it is? I love seeing you online, my love. Don't worry, I'll keep coming online every day, okay? I'll come online. This hacking something, the moment I'm done with this live, just because you are calling me, I know it's to hear word. I just said something. I know you got the number on this page, on this my page. You don't used to hear word. I said something now. Do not call me. Only message me. But you won't call. So what if I now go there and I block you? What is that thing you want to say that you cannot type? I love your voice. Thank you so much. Lower. What is that thing that you want to say that you cannot type? Type it. Type it, and when I'm done, you will see you collected the number here online. You should know that I'm still online. You should know that I'm busy. So even if I'm not even busy, don't call. That is why I see me just trying to block, because I don't want stress. Stop now. I don't as if somebody is rude. I don't like it. I just said something. Just message only. Just message only. Even the people I love so much, the moment I say message only, they will message me only. Sometimes they will even say, can I call now? If it's something I'm less busy, I will say, okay, no problem. I'll call me, I'll pick. But not that you just call me because you want to call. And you know I'm on live. I don't understand. Stop it. I don't like it. Stop it. Every time people want to see somebody talk, people want to see somebody hang. I just made something. Now you collected I know, okay, now you stop calling. For you to say that you just pick the number here. You stop calling. You should just send me a message. Even if you want to, okay, I want to contribute, I want to support you. Just send me a message and I will respond to you. It's simple. It's simple. Even some people don't want to even buy goods for me. Sometimes I use voice note for them to know that, oh, this is me. Oh. Do you understand? So please, I beg. I love each and every one of you, and I don't want to ask or feel anything rude or anything like that. I don't want. I just made something clear, and you called me almost 4 to 5 times now, or 3 times, I guess. And you know I'm on live. Now you've stopped calling because you are hearing me. You heard what I'm just saying. Now you are hearing what I'm saying. Be cool now. Be cool, eh? Aki. I beg, I don't get strength. This moment, you see my voice is low, I beg. So stop, okay? When I'm done, I'll chat you. Just tell me what you want. Tell me why you are calling me. Do you understand? Then I will let you know. Oh, is it for the hair? Like I said, the number is only for business only. Business only. And for those that want to support me. So if you want to, just look at the account number here. If you want me to send it there, look, that is what some people say. Are you sure you're the one? Look at me here. This is not audio. I've had this to do it. Like as you know, your president and Buhari, they talk. They're not already. This is me. I'm talking. This is me, and this is my page. If it's not me, you won't see me on live. Some people that they're not using, like they may use my name, but they are not the one. They will not show me like this. They would rather cover my name with pictures and start using their voice. So please, this is me, okay? Thank you, charming. So this is me, Mary. Thank you so much, darling. I love you all. Thank you all so much, okay? So please don't call, okay? When I'm done, I'll check your message. I'll check your message, oh. See now. Who gets her? Dimple. Natural. Thank you. Why I post account number? Somebody they cry. The other one they vex. Hey, yeah. Why not they vex? Eh? Why people hungry? Why are you crying? Hey, I cannot wait to do this thing. How to do? Go to the roadside. Carry. God will see me through, Sha. All right, darlings. My beautiful people. I wanna Princess Jane, Joyce, Angel, Mary. I love you. I love you. My voice is really low. I'm trying to speak up loud because the last video, I think nobody really heard what I said. So now I'm speaking up loud. I just love you. I love you too. Okay. I love me. I know they hate on the account where I post. Why not they hate? Eh? I can't number. No be dead body. Why you not come they cry on top of now? You guys should stop it, okay? Stop it. Dun, dun, dun. See, let me tell people, if you want to go far in life, I love you too, Mama Kalis. That. Yes, so Iyawomi. Angel, I love you. Favor Lee, good evening. Joy, answer me, please. What do you say, Mama? Much love, my queen. Thank you, Relationship on TV. I love you, Mama. Alice, what do you say? I love you, Ruth Sunday. So, the thing is that if you want to go far in life, always give. Your seed, it's just when you are sowing seed. I'm fine, Taiwo. It's just when you are sowing seed in the church. Your seed will speak for you. Giving to the less privileged. Do you understand? It's something that my mom, me, thank God, my husband has been doing it. It opens doors. It opens doors. I don't know, if you're really a giver, you will know what I'm talking about. Thank you, Debbie. Thank you, Ruth. Clara, I love you. Thank you. I love you, Dwak. Thank you. Bella Sweet. Thank you. It opens doors. Sometimes you'll be asking, God, how are you fighting this battle for me? It's because of what you've contributed for someone. I'm not saying it because, oh, she wants them to contribute. That's why she's preaching. No. Even if people don't contribute for me. But I just want you to know, anywhere you are at all, anywhere you are, if you want to do it, you can do it. Do you understand? But I'll say something. Giving is the key to your success if you don't know. That person that you gift and say, because now what I did was that period when I was giving the orphanage. This Joy loves her husband so much. See how Lemon's life has changed for the better. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I love your humble speaking. Thank you. Thank you, Chuku Aka. Do you understand? When I went to give the orphanage, I told them the money that I use in getting all these things, And the cash I gave them, it's not from me alone. It's from my fans. And they prayed. Even before we came out to pray, they already prayed because I had to fill a lot of forms and all of that. So this one now, even while giving people on the streets, I will let them know these things is not from me. It's from people that love you all so much and want you people to be happy. And they will pray for you all. I'm not a greedy person or a selfish person. Okay, Omalicha, is for charity. It's for less privilege, like any less privilege. Do you understand? So, I'm not a greedy or selfish person that I would do everything and receive all the blessing. No. I let them know that this is not from me alone. Now, let me tell you what I do with that names I receive. Not just am I going to say thank you for supporting. No, I will pray on the names. There is the last period when we did our went to the charity. I really don't know all the names, but as was being called, I wrote them down and I prayed on it. And if I want to do it, I do fasting on it. You can't just support and you will suffer. Never. You can't give and suffer. You will never. So may God bless each and every one of us. Our pockets will never run dry. That is why I said once you're done, is it the name on the bank that you want me to write or the one you wish to? When I'm done thanking each and every one of you, I will also pray on their names. That God is going to, your 2024 is just a small thing. The blessing that is going to come your way is going to be huge. Let me tell you something. Turn to DK. She also have a foundation. She does not do it alone. She have people that support her on her foundation. I'm not even up to Tonte DK. So how do you expect me to do it alone? I wanted to change my other page to Joysekani's foundation. Then paste my account number there. Should in case anybody I want to support should just be supporting. Then we'll be doing the giveaways of me to be coming on live every day. Then I'll be saying, okay, we'll support so amount for 1 month so far. So ending of the month, then we'll do the we'll go and do the charity or anywhere. So that's what I wanted to do. Every month, I'll paste the account number anybody I want to contribute to ending of the month. Once they are done with it, then I'll let them know how much they've contributed and tell them the name. Call their names. Do you understand? Which I don't know if I should open another account or I should just use the other one and just do it like that. Giving is the key. When you make people happy, you will never suffer. That is I told you people before. That is the covenant my mother had with God. Giving. I told you all that as I'm twin, we used to do beans. So I sometimes do it on my birthday. Sometimes I'll do it any day I like. So I told you people that I'm going to be doing that beans on February. Now I sent money to my mom for the beans. She said, why cooking it at home? What we used to do normal is if we cook the beans, we'll pack it. Joy, can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you, Sam. If we put the beans inside a pack, do you understand? I will buy bread because twins, according to Yoruba people, they say twins, why beji. Do you understand? Beans for twins. So it's for me to give them beans only. I'll put bread, beans and bread. Do you understand? I'll pack it. Do you understand? Then I'll send it, carry it to where all the babies are staying, and I'll give them. If I make a video of that, of something like that, if you see the way they used to drag me, sometimes one person can collect like one person can collect like 5. Do you understand? So when mommy said after she was done cooking that beans in that house where she was cooking it, people were carrying plates, and that's how sometimes that's what they do. So it's because I know they will always do. So I like sending more money, so that should in case something like this happen, they will have for people out there and people that is within. Once people rush it like that, it's called blessing. Do you understand? It's called blessing. That's how much blessing. Do you get? So that is it. When my mom was done cooking it, people started bringing plates. Yeah, Beji, me, I'm not left out. Oh, mommy said the beans finished in that house. She now bought another one and cook it. I thought that if she want to do beans, she should be doing like 5 paint or big paint of beans, 5 paints or 6 paints, because sometimes it may rise. I don't even know how beans is. So she did it. They finished it. And I was supposed to give it to them, because if you see them, they are much. Mommy said she had to cook another one for the one that are going to carry. People were still coming. Do you understand? You're naturally beautiful. Thank you. I love you, Rosaline. Thank you. So, do you understand? It's good to give. Even if you don't give it to me to let me give to them, on your own, it's good to give. Do you understand? I love you all, and I'll keep loving you. Don't hesitate to. But when you want to give to those that, let me tell you something why most people don't give to, like when you want beggars outside now, when you want to give them, some people don't give beggars outside because most of them now do their things on purpose. Most of them do their things on purpose. They will I don't know how somebody caught somebody one time, one of the beggars. I think it was piling up all the money for something. When you give the beggar with your hand, I don't know what they use it to do. When I saw that video, I was scared. I said, what is this? So to give on our money na crime. We gave you money, people arrange it on one calabash. So that's why people are scared to give money in the hand and say take. So on this one, I'll be putting it inside envelope. Do you understand? And yes, envelope, giving. Then thinking of, I said let me cook food here. I don't know. I'm thinking of doing something like that. I don't know what to do. But I want to visit people out there on the street. Help them sell their markets. Give them what I can be able to give them. They need us. They don't know us, but they need us. We don't know them, but when we go there, we'll see them. But them, they can't find us here. That is one thing people don't understand. I love you all. God bless you. God bless you. I'm fine, Rebecca, watching from Zambia. I'm good. All right, darlings. Take care of yourself. Thank God that all of them here knows I don't scam people. I don't, and I will never. I'm not like you, Bella. Is it who said that? Is it Bella? No, it's not Bella. What's this guy name? Gedo or something like that. See your name, safe. Your name sound like a thief. Your name sound like a thief. I don't have time for people like you, I beg. Alright. So I'll come on live tomorrow. I'll come on live tomorrow for my weeks. Do you understand? From my weeks, I can still talk about the contribution. Do you get the support, rather? Thank you all. God bless you. As you're turning up for me, may God send somebody that's going to turn up for you all. Whenever you need help, God is going to send helpers to each and every one of you. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the love. Thank you all. Thanks for the care. I love you all. Bye. Somebody say, go and find your own husband. Hey, I just showed you people that my DK just bought me a bag. Which husband again do you want me to show you? Huh? And my husband don't know with Tara. Do you people give me any husband? Eh? I just showed you people that my husband bought me a bag. So which husband do you want me to find again? Hey, they want me to marry 2 men. I'll be 5 or 4. I have a husband already now. Which one are you people asking me to find again? Yeah. Oh. Anyhow, Sha, I have husband. Or is there anyone you want to give me? And I don't know. Marry that one. You that you want to give somebody husband, you're telling me that I should go and find husband. Marry that one you want me to, that you want to go and find for me. Marry, because I already have my dogon decay. Ozwawolele. Ah, Jesus, I cannot laugh. Thank you so much, Jerry. I don't want to leave. Hey, like I want to live in Jesus' name. I don't want to live the life stream. Yes, so Abomunye Odogo. Me kwano way for Munye Odogo. Hey, now that song I for play. All right, I love you all. Let me speak more English. I love you all, and I promise to come on live tomorrow morning. And please, if I don't, nobody should call to wake me. But I promise to come on live tomorrow morning because I need to, you know, display my wigs and all the wigs I'm going to be displaying. Yeah, about the long, the body waves, all of them. So in case you want anyone, just don't forget to DM me, okay? That's DM means. Some people don't know what DM means. DM means direct message. Do you understand? Send me the rest message concerning the wigs you want, and I'm going to be responding to you all. Do not forget, okay? It's simple. Chicken. And don't also forget to follow K's Word. K's Word is the CEO of this hair that I'm selling, okay? When myself don't be my boss of my own. Of course, I'm a boss of my own. Me, I'm a boss. I don't work for anybody. I'm a boss of my own. Yes. So for the people say you don't leave cake, donut and everything, I go start the one with big personal brain. I go do this time around. And yes, it's crunchy. Carry this one and go and put it. She say it's crunchy. She say it's crunchy. Yes, it's crunchy. Go and carry it and post. You paying you abi? Crunchy donut. Crunchy donut. Crunchy donut. It's crunchy. Ozwawolele. Go and carry it. Crunchy. She did not say it's fluffy. She said it's crunchy. Me, I want to choose my. Is it your brand? It's crunchy. It's crunchy. Wrists. So that is it. So I'll start my donuts back and all of that. Do you understand? Somebody says, see who the advice person to buy cream for stretch mark. Yes, so if you want to buy cream for stretch mark, buy your cream for stretch mark, okay? It's good if you want to clear it. If you don't want to, it's a beautiful thing to have it. It's not a crime. It's not a crime at all. It's not a crime. The only time is a crime is when you are using a bleach. Yeah. The thing is tearing your body. Do you understand? That is when you know that it's like that, you should stop. Do you understand? There's some stretch marks that are cute and beautiful. Do you understand? I mean, I have this one here. It has always been here since when I was slim. When I was very tiny. So it has always been there. And I'm proud of it. I display it. I wear my singlet like this and go out. Nobody even if they know it's cute. Do you understand? Be proud of your body, be proud of yourself. Okay? If they say you get tutor, tell them, see me, they go create one person. When they create one person, double phone bow that for them. But if in as much as they can't create one person, to hell with them. I'll let them born to arches. Alright, darling. So I need to go now. No, sir, leave that one alone, Jerry. That if you look that one deep in, you go no say that one need help past anybody. And that is the people that need help the more are the ones that they think they can run their mouth. If you curse me, your problem will be times 100 of it. Mark it. You go just ask yourself. And if you come up to my DM and beg me that somebody said one thing, please, I sent you a one terrible message. Please, I have deleted it. Forgive me. Me, forgive you. When I say when your mouth they leak, you know. Your mouth they leak, you know, go ask before you go start to talk with no concern you. You know go ask. If you want to insult your normal. Which one is useless? Are you okay? Is that how your generation is? Don't come for me, oh. Don't come for me, oh. I won't fight you. My head will fight you. Do you understand? So don't come for me. I've told you people before, and I'll still say it again. Before you say anything or run your mouth, go and ask of me very well. If they tell you who I am, fear no go let you type message, curse me. If they tell see, I don't brag, I'm not proud. This world, I still have a long way to go. And I will not let any man or any bagger destroy or spoil it for me. So if you know who I am, you will know that God, I was not, in short, I fall from heaven. And I go just now, the word I go just give you now be that. Go and ask of me. I give you the privilege. Check my life. I even gave you all my full name. If you want me to repeat it, I will still repeat it. Joy Iwuchukwu Eze 1. Go and ask. They will tell you who I am. Do you understand? He that is in me is greater than he that is in you. The moment you ask about me, you can't type to insult me. I'm telling you. I'm only giving people the privilege because now what's it concern me in my hand. If you people type, it's not my stress. It's your hand. Is your people are to type for the insult. But I know that it's going back. As you are, is there when one finger point? How many is pointing back to me? If I point you one, how many is pointing? So that is how it is. The moment you curse, everything is going back to you and your generation. So why will I be worried? In as much as I know it's going to affect you, affect your generation, what's my problem? Ask. Joyce. Jukwese agagwage. Abu omunye ntakere. Inano. Joyce. Kema. Only ne dealing with. Everybody get waiting that they serve. This one they serve juju. I know nobody. If you are in as much as you know they use your own, they disturb anybody. Fine, do what you want to do. Me being paid for what now? How many words you talk where they pay? You know how many I don't. Even if your mama and your generation receive that word by now, they don't carry you going. They don't put you inside mug. You. If you receive waiting I don't receive for this, you for don't your generation for don't they inside mug since they will don't define how they want to bury you now. Do you understand? So that is it. Somebody sent me a message that our sister insulted me. Oh, I saw the message. But it's none of my business. She said that time, rest in peace, Joy. She sent it to me on my WhatsApp. I said, okay. We will know who will rest in peace. This girl fell sick. When I mean sick, terrible illness. This girl was so sick. Do you know what? Do you know how they now found out that it was a message that got her sick? I think they started checking. Then they now saw when she typed the message. Her sister called me. I did not pick up because I don't pick calls. If I pick it, I will hang up. If I hear your voice, I will just hang up and I will block you. That is what I do. But if you message me, then she kept calling. I said, I picked. I said, what is your problem? Are you okay? Then she said, please, ma, I'll tell you something. Then I listened. She told me that, am I Joysekani? I said, yes, any problem? She said, oh, please. They started begging me. I was just hearing different voice from the background. This one was begging, this one was begging, this one was begging me. Please, ma, my sister is sick. Kilowa coming. I thought they wanted to ask me for money. I said, why, if your sister is sick, what caused the sickness? Why are you telling me? Do you understand? What happened? Why is she sick? What happened to her? What caused the sickness? Did she fall? You know? Where is she? Where are you people? Where do people stay? And she now said, no, I won't pick your call. She now said, no, that the thing is that the sickness, she read the message she sent to me. That she now said, told me, rest in peace, that I should please, the sister is in the sick bed, almost gone. I told her, what do you want me to do? When she said it, what did I respond to her? Then she said, she told me the rest. She said, even me, I didn't even know if, I didn't even check. It was later I went down to see the message. She said, I told her, then we'll see who will rest in peace. I said, okay, so why are you not calling me? Who is not resting in peace? I don't find trouble. I will not just one day carry your name and start doing evil. Why? Even if you drag me, why will I carry your name? Even my worst enemy that I've dragged, why will I carry your name? My head alone has spoken for me, and it will always speak for me. I don't need to carry your name and write it and go and do evil. I won't. And I told them, okay, I was just so hungry. Trust me. If you are doing your evil, please do it for good thing, for it to favor, for it to bring money to you. Don't do it to buy somebody, because you don't know who the person is. So it will not affect you. That was what that girl did. Only the word from my mouth. I did not say anything. I just told her who will know who will rest in peace. And that was it. I felt peaceful. The girl was get away, follow me type. They do her. I felt pitied. I'm not that kind of person. I said, okay, chat me on WhatsApp and go live. Go do record. Normal, I will not show you my face unless there's a reason. And I went on, we did a video call and I saw the guy. I felt so pity. I said, what give you the guts to even, you see, if you want to bully somebody, you want to cyberbully somebody, and there's some insult somebody will not take. Let me tell you, we are all human. If you are insulting me here on this thing, insult me on the internet. Don't come and give me direct message. Who are you? Why will you do that? You come and give me direct message. You are trying to insult me directly and you expect me to leave you. No, now. I will only give you one word. You don't judge a prophetess. You don't. You don't know the grace I carried. So it will not hit you. Because I'm pitying for you. That's what I'm always telling you. If you insult me here, what's my business? Do you understand? Who is this person? Christina. Okay, you said R.I.P. Okay. Now, I will give you this word, Christina. I don't talk too much, but I'm saying something and you repeated this word. Do you understand? So, Christina, I'm going to reverse this RIP to you. Do you understand? I'm not going to give it to any of your family members, but I'll give it to you direct. From now till May, if you are still alive, send me a message with your account again, then I will know. Then you will now know who the hell you are dealing with. You see this RIP, I'm sending it back to you, Christina. Me, I want to send it back to you. That RIP that you said, RIP Joe, now I'm sending it back to you, RIP Christina. Christina Kotu. If you will leave for till May, I'm not giving you too far. I'm only giving you May. Then you will know who I am. Please, if you will still be alive till that May, tell the world that you are still alive. Then you will know. I'm not making, but I will use it as a point of contact in this place. I will use it as an scapegoat, an example. Do you understand me? I will use you as an example. I'm saying something. You still mention the word. Now we'll know who will go do this RIP. From now till May, I give you only. If you leave from now to May, call me bastard. Know that I don't look for trouble and I will not wish anybody dead. But if you do wish me, I'm reversing it back to you. Christina, this message is for you. If you will still be alive from that May, do a live video and call my name. Mention me, let me come and watch you. If it's not your dead body, they will see. Then you will know who I am. Sometimes I think some people need to be dealt with. You need to learn lesson. You need to be learned lesson. How can you see somebody that is alive and if you want to bully me, I did not come for your family. I don't know your family member before. I haven't seen them before. But you open your mouth to say this. Let me tell you, from now till May, what is today's date? Today's date is 20. I will only give from now to May 14th. Watch and see. If you are still alive, please do a live video. I want to see you. Then you will not know the anointing on my head is not for chance play. You are very stupid. So, in as much as things are happening online, if you want to insult me, I've seen a lot of bloggers insult me, but nobody has ever wished me dead because they know what they are doing. But you, that you don't even know anything, you just see somebody, you don't even know what is happening, you just want to type. I will use you as a scapegoat on this comment section. I skipped, but I just saw the message. If they did not carry your dead body, they did not put you inside the morgue, I wouldn't think, I will, even if your family member call, I will not even do as if I hear. It's none of my business. I don't judge. That is why I used to tell God, if I've not offended anybody, if I've not looked for any or planned evil to anybody, then God should, if I've wished anybody dead, God should, any plan that anybody planning on my head, let it come. But if I've not wished anybody dead, God is going to always vindicate me. Don't try me. Don't try me. I'm not joking. I'm not making up. Please don't try me. I give you people the privilege to go and ask of who I am. Go and ask. You will know. If you know, finish. Fear no go let it type. Many bloggers that are out there, most of them, as they do like this, they serve juju. But you never see one day here say they wish me, my enemy, death. You've never. But you don't know. You just carry phone type. No, don't tell me to forgive you. Please don't tell me. If I don't teach one person for here, and I pray, let me tell you that the moment you are gone, you see this your name, Christiana, it will go around Facebook. Even if you don't want to be popular, your mortuary, obituary will go around Facebook and you'll be popular for it. Then they will not hear, when they hear the name Christiana, they will know that it's me that do. You are very stupid. Next time you will learn how to talk. Next time you will learn how to. Sometimes if you keep quiet, you don't. I'm just keeping quiet for a reason. So like I was saying, this girl now did a video call. She want to tell me please, like she want to tell me to forgive her. Though I already know what she wants to say. And I told the girl that, give me 1 pure water. Sachet of water. So when she gave me sachet of water, I prayed on that water. The moment I prayed on that water, I told her that sachet of water. The moment I prayed on that water, I called her name. I think her name is it Peculiar or something? I don't even know what her name is. I've forgotten. And I prayed on it. And that is how this girl, God restored her. Not that moment. Do you understand? Because she was gone. She was already reducing. Reducing, oh. They showed me a before and after picture. She was reducing badly. I felt pity for her. Do you understand? So I prayed for her. Then from that day to 4 days time, she was okay, and she called me by herself and told me she's very sorry. She said she's looking for the message she sent to me. Then she deleted it because I've sent many on Facebook and everything. So that was it, and I just left. I just left her. I told her that you don't know who is who. You see me like this, I don't just come and tell people RIP to you. I don't do it. Even if you're my enemy, I won't do it. Even if you did me the worst thing, I won't do it. We are not human. You don't know who is who. But this Christiana, what is your name? I will use this. If you like, let me tell you one thing you don't know. Go and ask, if you have a prophet and a babalawo and a fa, tell them you said this and I reverse it back to you. If they cure it for you, call me bastard. If they lie, they will only take your money to try to wash it away, but it will not go. You will die this day. This death that you are wishing somebody, you will die it. You see this death, you will die it. Me, I'm telling you. You will. So that maybe the grave they call you. You understand? They call you, so you want to smell it. You will smell it. You will smell it. Yeah? You will smell it. You will just come and say rubbish. I'm talking about business and something that is important. You came from nowhere. Even if you want to support anybody. Did I stop you? Did I say don't support? What's my own? The person that is even you're supporting cannot even come and wish me like that. But you carried your phone. Oh, I that fan. Did they now tell you to come and wish somebody dead? Don't try me, oh. You don't try me. Oh my God, this girl don't know anything. If your mama na prophetess, Tell her that I said Joy Iwuchukwu is said. I don't brag, I don't boast, but I don't look for, if you see me, I don't look for trouble. I do my things with happiness and love. Do you understand? But you just came from nowhere and said whatever you said. Do you get? For those of you that are wishing RIP, let me tell you something. From now, before this year we end, for that Christiana, I'm giving you only May 14. You that Christiana. And the rest people that have wished, before this year we end. ESF is too much. In short, that same May, all of una go die. Do you get me? I don't say things too much. This is Bible in my hand. This is Bible. Always with me. Don't try me. Don't even try it. People that are the blogger here, most of them, their hands are not clean. Everybody get within the serve. If you know serve Babalawo, you go serve A5. If you know serve A5, you go serve God. You go serve water. You go serve one thing. But most of them, they use their brain. They don't do it for evil. They only do it for themselves. And some people that do it for evil, how far? Don't try it again. Don't try it. You see people that are wishing they are far better than you. You are stable in one place. You did not go and ask your solution. You did not go and ask your problem. You did not go and ask. You are just there. Jobless. Typing death to your family and your generation. So if your mother died now, how will you feel? How will you feel? That is what you are sending to them. That is what you are sending to them. I won't say too much. Christiana, watch and see. Do you understand? Go and meet all the prophets. They will tell you. Do you see that girl? In as much as she did not look for your trouble, don't find her own trouble. You can class chase with whatever you want to class chase with. Do whatever you want to do. Many of the bloggers have said what they want to say. Do you see me drag anybody? Do you see me say what? No. But for this word you said, many people have said a lot of this thing you said. But you, I'm saying something you said. You want to tell me you have strong get coconut? I go test my own head. Get coconut passport. You go see. Please, when you are alive, let me know. But I know you will not be. Somebody said something like this. The person received both. The person came to beg. Thank God. What if the person does not have a family member? That's why the person enemy for don't die. Then what will not happen? What will not happen? They will not say, blah, blah, blah. This won't happen. This won't happen. Be careful what you say with your mouth. It may not affect the person, but it will affect you and your generation. Do you understand? It may not affect you, but it will affect your... If you say something to somebody, it won't affect the person. It will go back to you and your generation. Hi, gifts. So, I won't forgive you. I have a good heart. I have a soft and kind heart. My heart is soft. Very, very soft. But you see this one you say. I'm not God though. But even God in heaven will not support this. Do you understand? I'm not God. The only way I can forgive you is when you come back and retype that thing you type. You will not cancel it on my head. You will cancel it on your own head. That is only when you can be free. Cancel it on your own head. You will type it and cancel. If you don't type it and cancel it and I see it, you are not going to go free. You will never go scot-free. If I don't see it, it's either you type it, I see it, or you type it on my WhatsApp and I will see it. If I don't see it, you are not going free. Do you understand? If you don't type it for me to see it, if you think so, if you follow all your bed waka, you go know say birds, all their feathers are not equal. Do you understand me? All the birds, their feathers are not equal. You will see. Do you get me? Watch and see what will happen to you. If I don't see your message, and the day you will send your message on WhatsApp, I will let them know that you send it on WhatsApp. But the day you will not send it on WhatsApp, if I don't see it, just send it on WhatsApp. If not, try me. So bye-bye, guys.